right, we're in the key of C sharp. We're in the key of C sharp. So let's learn this 4 chords progression that I just played right now. This is something that you can use in your playing, when you're playing at church. Yeah, and I think this is something that you definitely should know, especially if you're playing at church, right? So let's break that down. It's a 4 chord progression. It's simple. I'm going from 5 to 2, right? So 4 chord progression, and I'm starting from here. And I'm gonna try to be slow. So with my left hand, I'm playing G sharp and I'm playing E sharp, right? Because we are in the key of C sharp, so we're gonna call this E sharp. And then on my right hand, I'm playing G sharp, I'm playing C sharp, and I'm playing E sharp. And then on my left hand, moving along to 4, I'm playing the F sharp, I'm playing C sharp. On my right hand, I'm playing G sharp, I'm playing B sharp, and I'm playing D sharp. Then I go back to with my right hand, I'm going back to G sharp, C sharp, E sharp. Then this is something that I'm playing here. On my left hand, I'm playing D sharp. On my right hand, I'm playing A, and I'm playing C sharp, and I'm playing F sharp. Then I go back to the song progression. So this is what I play when I go back. So I mean, I pretty much ascend to what I was playing, right? Now let's add some passing chords on this progression, make it more fun, right? Okay, so we're gonna do, this progression here. Now let's add our passing chord here. It's gonna be, so what did I just do there before going to 2? So I played this one here. So on my left hand, I'm on 3, right? I'm on 3, and obviously that's your E sharp here there. But then on my right hand, I'm playing G sharp, I'm playing B, I'm playing D sharp. And then the second one, on my left hand, I'm playing A sharp. On my right hand, I'm playing G sharp, I'm playing B, I'm playing D, I'm playing E sharp. Right? So yeah, your passing chords is this one. Let's do that again. Then you go back to the song progression. I mean the chord progression.